Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Tech Rocky back at it with another YouTube video. Today we're going to be unboxing, yes, I finally got one, the Xbox Series S. It's the basically Xbox's all digital middle model, I guess. They're technically their lowest end, but it's still $250, I think, retail. $300, around $300 after tax, and stuff like that. So it's definitely not cheap, but considering the main Xboxes, I mean, it's definitely up there. It's definitely a great pickup. And so let's unbox it. It's like nice little packaging, right? Just a lot of companies have switched to environmentally friendly packaging recently, which, I mean, I'm fine as long as it protects the product. I don't care. Alright, so the actual console, we'll put that aside for a few minutes. Alright, so guys, we're going to set aside the console and look at it here in a few minutes. So it's just, we have a nice getting started screen. So got that thing. It just says download the app, which I think you set it up using an app, which if so, app setups are, a lot of people don't like them. They junk up your phone and stuff like that, but I think they are by far the best route to set up a new device. It's simple, it's easy, and you don't go through so much useless paper. This is providing shade on my hat. Yeah, I'm wearing literally a PlayStation hat to unbox this, so that's kind of funny. But yep, it tells you how to set up the controller and stuff like that. So nice little thing. Again, more environmentally friendly packaging. Feels pretty sturdy though, so I mean, I'm fine with it. I don't care, just get my console here in one place, and I don't care about the packaging. As long as it's not packing peanuts. Packing peanuts should be outlawed. Alright, so that's all in the box. This is one of the smallest boxes for a console I've ever seen. So yeah. Here's our accessories pack, it looks like. So right here is a product and regulatory guide and limited warranty and agreements of just what they have to put in for legal information and stuff like that. A chunky HDMI cable, so it doesn't say how long it is, I don't think. It just says HDMI high speed, but if you want to get 4K 120, which this technically doesn't support 4K 120, they're going for 120 1440p, which most people are kind of hook this up to their TV anyways, so most TVs aren't 1440p if they even exist at all. I mean, monitors, if you have a gaming monitor, which I used to have a 1440p gaming monitor, it's going to be nice for 120 hertz, I'm pretty sure, is what they're saying, but this is a HDMI 2.1 cable. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong in post-production, but it's a girthy little HDMI cable, so that's real nice. A power cable just plugs into the back of the actual console. That's all, and finally we have a little piece of foam. And then, of course, the controller. It comes with one controller. This is the same like little plastic wrap that is on the PS5 controller, so, well, it's similar. It's not the same, but it's similar feeling, so it's nice stuff. Ooh. Wow, alright. That's might be my next daily. I might be replacing my old controller with that. That feels really good, like really good. Again, we have just standard OEM Duracell batteries, so they're just standard AA's. Again, I don't know why they haven't gone rechargeable. I mean, pretty much every console has gone rechargeable like built-in batteries in their controllers. Nintendo Switch has one, and you can. All right, so the Xbox has just gone with standard AA batteries, which I mean is fine, but it's weird because pretty much every major console has gone with rechargeable stuff. Which I mean, I'm fine with AA's, but and of course you can always buy separately a I got scuff on the white. You can always buy rechargeable like stick-ins, but yeah. I mean, I like this. I'm 99.9% sure that you can use Xbox One controllers with the new Series X/S, which I'll correct myself if I'm wrong, but they really haven't changed much. They've added this little upload button right here, which is just to like share gameplay and stuff, so not really useful. Buttons feel the same, joysticks feel the same. Let me grab my... Alright, so this is the controller that I use every single day that I play like GTA or something on my computer, which I can't play with keyboard and mouse, like Rocket League and stuff. No, I have to use the controller. I have to say the D-pad is so much better. Button press is the exact same. These little buttons, exact same. They've changed the RB and LB. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm back. Sorry guys. If it's a little weird or something like that, it's because the camera just died on me. Yeah. For some reason, the camera decided to die on me, so I had to recharge it. So we're just pick up where we left off. So I definitely like this controller better. They haven't changed too many things, but what they've changed, added more grip and stuff. I like the texturization. On the little like palm part over here, I like it actually more than the PS5 controller. But everything else I think is better on the PS5. So yeah, but different type of plastic it feels like. Yeah, definitely a different type of plastic. But let's get to the thing we're all been waiting for during this unboxing. Let's unbox the console. Alright. So we have a little very cringy saying from Xbox, power your dreams. That's very cringy, guys. Again, with this little like protective covering. I mean, it's nice. It protects the console, I guess, from scratches. Wow, that's really small. But yeah, I don't know if it's environmentally friendly or something like that. Again, I don't care. I just care that it protects the console. Wow. So, right here we just got not really giant, looks like maybe a 140 mil fan right here. Probably 120, 120, I don't know, somewhere in between there, 120, 140. Not too big of a fan, but then again, for a console this size, like, look at it. It's like half fan. We have vent holes on either side of the console, and also one tiny one on the bottom. Don't know. Oh, it's because... Alright, so this is really cool. We have vent holes right here, and so you can put it right here so it can still grab air from there. Alright. On the front, we have a USB, I'm guessing 2.0. I don't know. Some type of USB. For hooking up accessories, charging your controller stuff. We got a controller pairing button. We have the on button. I really think, so the one thing that I hate about doing vertical, they should have been made away to rotate the little Xbox logo, which, I mean, it's fine. It doesn't look bad like this, but if they could rotate it, it would be really nice. On the back, we have their just normal, decent selection. We have a gigabit Ethernet. We have 2 USBs. Don't know, I'm pretty sure they're 3.0, 3.1, something like that. HDMI out, right? They got rid of HDMI in, which was supposed to be able to hook up like your DVD player or something like that on the old Xbox, Xbox One and Xbox One S. And I don't know about the Xbox One X, but they got rid of the in because there's no point of having it. They have a storage expansion slot, right? We'll get to that here in a second. And, of course, power cord. Just, I mean, my initial impressions on the size of this thing is tiny. I mean, like, I really think this, if you had a big enough hoodie pocket, you could put this in here. I mean, this thing is tiny, which I'm fine, honestly. This is going on my desk. The PS5 is going in my entertainment console, so, I mean, having a small form factor, I'm all for it, so that's pretty cool. Speaking of the storage expansion slot, this standard has a 512 gig, one of their like Velocity architecture SSDs, so it's like tied directly to the CPU or something like that, so it's super fast. I mean, technically it's faster than the PS5, which has basically just a Gen 4 SSD in it. I mean, it's still blazing fast compared to their old hard drives, but definitely a lot faster on the Xbox. It allows for quick resume, faster loading of the games, faster just load times in general, because one, better CPU, GPU, and the upgraded SSD, they're finally moving away from spinning drives, hard drives. So I actually picked myself up one of these Seagate storage expansion cards for the, they work both for the Series S and the Series X, which I know you might be thinking, oh, you literally spent $100 and $200 on storage for your console that only costs $300. I'm eventually going to get the Xbox Series X. I just couldn't find it, couldn't get it here in time, and yeah, honestly couldn't afford it right now, but I'll eventually get one. But yeah, let's open this thing up. Wow, alright, so this like little SSD thing, super small, like smaller than my palm, right? Palm for comparison, really small. Fits the whole, alright, the rest of the box just has warranty stuff and stuff like that. So this is made by Seagate, which Seagate's been working with Microsoft for as long as I can remember. They've been making official drives or whatever for the Xbox 360 and up, so not surprised they partnered with Seagate. Don't want to break it. Has a nice little plastic tab or whatever. It says 1 terabyte. I don't know if they might come out with like a 512 gig or something, but I really hope they come out with something bigger, maybe like 2 terabyte, maybe even 4. Alright, so I'm just gonna plug this thing in. Just plugs in, and I instantly have a terabyte more of storage, which is really nice considering the Call of Duty takes up, the new Call of Duty Cold War or whatever, takes up like 200 gigs. And on a 512 original, that's like half my storage. That's like 3 or 4 normal games, so having an extra terabyte is nice. Alright guys, overall I really love this console. Can't wait to play around with it, check it out. Eventually I'm going to do a full review. You guys know me. I have multiple reviews in the works and stuff like that, so I'm going to do a full review. I'm going to show some gameplay, and yeah, but that's coming after a few weeks after I play with it a little. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In the comment section, tell me something that I should cover with this new console. And thank you all for watching. It's your boy, Tech Rocky, signing off.